Justice Mary Mami Ekia in Century presiding said the court was unable to grant the Member of Parliament a self-recognizance bail minded by the nature of the case. But lead counsel for Mr. Quayson, Gyakye Quayson, said it was outrageous to suggest that a man who could have lived a comfortable life in Canada but sacrificed that in service of his people would have a reason not to subject himself to the processes if properly summoned. Her ladyship has also ordered the prosecution to file all disclosures within 3 weeks. The accused person is also to file responses and witness statements he intends to rely on should a prima facie case be made against him. James Gyakye Quayson was personally in court for the first time since the case was initiated against him, is being tried for deceit of public officer, forgery of passport or travel certificate, knowingly making a false statutory declaration, perjury, and false declaration for office. The court, at its last adjourned date, issued criminal summons against Mr. Quayson upon the prayer of the prosecution. The state said that it was becoming increasingly difficult and frustrating to serve processes on the accused person and concluded, based on the testimony of a bailiff, that the accused person was evading service. A Deputy Attorney General, Alfred Chiayabua, spoke to the issue after court on Tuesday.
I'm satisfied with the bail condition. For all the cases that we are prosecuting against members of parliament, you realize that they're giving self-recognizance bail. But in this instance, the court said 100,000 with justification. We are satisfied with the conditions. Even if you have a specific matter, one is criminal, one is civil, nothing stops the prosecution from initiating actions to prosecute the one burdened on crime. So far we are concerned, we've conducted our investigations. It matters not who is involved. If you're a member of parliament and you've gone contrary to the laws of Ghana, the law must deal with you. If you are a minister of state, a deputy minister, if you are any other person, you go contrary to the laws are there to deal with you. So the argument that he's a member of parliament and that, for that matter, we are just pursuing some members on the other side, is neither here nor there.
Leading high-ranking party members, including members of parliament and former government functionaries, to the court on Tuesday, Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu said it was surprising that the prosecution suggested that Mr. Quayson was not availing himself for service.
The manner of service was unconstitutional. Let me put it out quite clearly that at no point in time has it ever been the intention of the Honorable Gyakye Quayson or the minority not to be accountable to the law. What we have sought to question is the process and procedures allowing us to be accountable to the law and to respect the fidelity of the law. The same Honorable Gyakye Quayson was arraigned before a CID investigation panel. So ask yourself, how did that happen? They came through properly, through the speaker, and he facilitated that.
City News gathered that attempts to serve Mr. James Gyakye Quayson with Supreme Court processes at the premises of the High Court on Tuesday also failed. Mr. Quayson could be seen hurriedly chauffeured away under the protection of Party National Chairman Samuel Ofosu-Ampofo. The case has been adjourned to March 15, 2022.